Whatever.
Yo, I ain't gonna mad and stop it. This nigga went and got the bondage. Trying to tie a bitch down so she can get the frown. Yo.
He loves the ass. Stay away from the puss. I love the ass. Grease the shit. Let me slide it in. It's the tip, bitch. It's okay. It's alright. That's how this nigga do. I ain't going Corey. I'm off at HT, yo. But the shit this nigga do would be funny. This nigga be like, hey man, you gotta see this one thing I just say, man. You should've seen this thing with Lex Steele, Jada Fire. She was like, she got that big ass with the bubble booty.
I never said bubble.
You don't understand. Hold the relish. Bitch, I got a foot fetish.
Hold the relish.
Shit, cause I like to put shit on it. Yes. Cause a freaky motherfucker will put the whipped cream on the tip of his dick and he sticks it in.
Oh yeah.
Just like a dividend. You fuck up like a synonym. He goes. Fuck. Like a synonym.
Oh, I got one. Yeah. I'm about to flex. Yeah. I'm about to flex. I'm about to flex. Getting real fresh. It's about to get hard like Maya Angelou's neck, nigga.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Once upon a time, back in the day, they don't understand. Yes, my name is Morgan Freeman. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do anybody know that Morgan Freeman was born 1937, June 1st?
It was actually 1744.
This nigga is old. But I gotta see
Najee being housekeeper, trying to clean shit, standing on the couch.
posing and shit.
She was twerking earlier.